welcome to my leg day. We're going to do again 3 reps everything, 3 sets total, 12 reps. We're going to do 2 groupings with 1 minute cardio between. Okay, so I wrote everything down again. We're going to start with traditional squats. You can do them without weights, or you can pick up any weight you want. I like to put them on my shoulders. You want to stand, feet a little bit wider than shoulder width, and you're just going to squat down and squeeze up. It's very important when you squat down, like you're sitting in a chair, don't put your knees over your toes. Make sure you're squatting down low and squeezing up. You want to put all your weight on your heel. You want to be able to wiggle your toes. Support your back, so don't squat with your back forward. You want your chest up and squeeze up. Go down, squeeze up. You're going to do 12 sets of those, or 12 reps of those. Then you can take the same weights if you want. Try to put it on your shoulder still, or on your side. For split squats, I like them on my side. We're going to just do, you're going to go forward and down. Forward and down. So I'll show you the side. You're going to go step out, straight down. See how your knees are not going over your toes? You're going straight down. Same thing on this side. Weight is still on your heel. You're going to go down and push up. Down, push up. Down, push up. This is 1 rep per leg. You're going to do 12 of those. And you know, we're really going to fatigue the legs today, so I'm going to push more. You can do jumping. You can do jump ropes if you're feeling a little bit tired, but since this is leg day, we're going to try to jump side to side for 1 full minute. Keep your legs together and just jump. This is really going to work your cardio. It's going to work your legs. It's going to really fatigue you. After you do that for 1 minute, repeat those 2 workouts, total 3 times. Now, if we're on to the next one, this is going to work more the inner thighs, because ladies always want to work their inner thighs. You can take any kind of weight. You're going to really stand wide apart, kind of like a little bit in a plie position with your legs turned out. And you're just going to sink down low. Let me do better. There we go. And again, you're going to want to put the weight on your heels, chest up, squeeze. I'll show you on the side. You're going to sink down and squeeze up. Go down, squeeze up. Try to go as low as you can without your toes going over. Your knees going over your toes. Back straight, abs in. You're going to do 12 of those. And then I like to take, again, the weights, put it on your shoulders. We're just going to do calf raises. All you're going to do, basically, stand on your tippy toes and lower. Tippy toes and lower. Tippy toes and lower. You're going to do that 12 times. If you lose your balance a little bit, you could just hold on to something. You see how when I go up, I'm just contracting my calf muscles? And again, now we're going to do jumps. We're doing leg day, so you can do these kind of jumps or these for 1 full minute. If you get tired, shake it out, rest, and get right back into it. And you're going to repeat those 3 times total. Now we're going to go ahead and get down on our mats. You can do this without a weight, or if you're a little bit more advanced, you can strap on any kind of ankle weights. You're just going to get on all fours. Again, don't let your stomach drop. Don't hunch. You're going to just go ahead. You're going to lift one leg up to the sky. breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You're going to do 12 of those, and you're going to repeat it on this side. If it's easier for you to be on your elbows, go ahead and get on your elbows. Try not to let your knees touch the ground. You're going to do a set of 12. You're going to do reps of 12. Then now we're going to do the next set. You're going to stick your feet out. And you're going to widen it to one side. Kick that out of the way. You're just going to bring it to the opposite side. Kind of like making like a rainbow. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to, after you do 12 of that, you're going to go ahead and repeat. So remember, kick it out to one side, bring it over, and back. Kind of like you're just making one rainbow. You're going to do 12 of those. You're going to get up. We're going to do our lateral jumps. 1 full minute. Legs together. Use your arms to help propel you. You're going to do that for 1 minute. Repeat that total 3 times. We're going to get back down on our knees, on our mat. We're going to do inner thighs. So you're going to lay on one side, elbows directly below your shoulder. You're going to put one leg bent, this leg in front of it. You're going to lift up and down, up and down. Really make sure that your feet is straight. Don't point it. Make sure the toes are kind of facing this way. Again, you can use ankle weights. You're going to do that 12 times. You're going to turn around. Do the same exact thing on the other side. Bent leg. Use this arm right in front of you to support you. You're going to bring it up and down. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. You're going to do that 12 times. That's really going to work your inner thighs. And then you're going to lay down. And keep that way. You're going to put both your legs together. And you're going to do outer thigh. This is working the outer thigh now. We're just doing leg lifts. Again, keep your legs straight, your feet pointed. Breathe out, breathe in. Do that 12 times. Turn around. You're going to repeat exactly what we just did. Lift as high as you can. Stop it right before it touches. Breathe out, breathe in. You're going to get up. After you do 12, we're going to do our jumps for 1 whole minute. Let's try to sink low and jump as high as you can. Once you're done with your minute, we're going to repeat the inner and outer thigh workout. And that, let me see. Yep, that completes your lower body workout. So I hope this helps. Thanks.